So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, have you ever taken a selfie and noticed that your skin looks too orange, like you are standing under a street lamp? Or maybe it looks too blue, like you are standing in a freezer or whatsoever. That's a temperature issue. So basically temperature controls the warmth or coolness of your photos colors. As you see in this image right here, it's quite the example of basically a freezing color, or I mean basically a very cold temperature, I would say. So they feel cozy, inviting, and even golden if you use too much of the warm photos. Also, the temperature range is essential for any natural looking skin tones. So FaceApp suggests to include precise temperature control. The official blog prescribes temperature plus 20 to create a warm, basically good photo. How to do this? That's why we made this small tutorial. So basically, all we're gonna do is access the adjust, or basically the yes, as I said, the adjust tool. So open your photo in FaceApp, tap to adjust icon in the bottom toolbar, then find the temperature slider. In the adjust menu, locate the temperature slider. It's usually represented by a sun icon or a thermometer symbol. So you should adjust temperature for natural skin, increase temperature warm if your photo looks too blue or cool, just like this one. Then decrease temperature cool if your photo looks too orange or yellow. Then you can easily follow the golden hour rule. The best lighting for portrait is often called golden hour, the hour just after sunrise or just before the sunset when the light is warm and golden. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.